Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and software. Pick a clean, reliable microphone and plug it in. Once done, open the speech-to-text application and grant microphone permissions so audio flows into the engine. Next, set the input device and sampling to 44, 1 kHz for balanced fidelity. Also, make a quick ambient check. If you hear hiss, move to a quieter room. Now start a short test recording, so you can adjust gain and stop clipping before the full transcription. You now refine the transcription quality by choosing the exact language and dialect the speaker uses, because models rely on that choice. Then enable features like automatic punctuation and capitalization to reduce editing later. Make sure noise suppression and sensitivity are dialed in. Lower sensitivity cuts background noise, higher captures soft speech. If multiple speakers exist, enable speaker separation. Finally, pick live streaming or batch processing and set timestamps and an export format like TXT or SRT for your workflow. You finish by exporting the transcript to your chosen format and immediately save a local backup. Cloud sync is optional but useful. Then proofread the text, focusing on homophones, proper names, and domain-specific terms. Add those words to a custom glossary so accuracy improves over time. If results are poor, troubleshoot. Re-record with less noise, move the mic closer, or select a higher accuracy model. One key tip: if transcription consistently fails, check sample rate mismatch and mic permissions first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.